and no way had I seen my heart holds joy alight. Yet foolish is the gladness that holds sway, keeping me joyful, keeping me so light. For when in thought I go my way, I suffer such torment from that sight, that I think I languish from desire's fray. No other joy I wish or pray, and that one I fear comes too slight. Too slight, obviously. She throws the piercing smart, and with the other eye she strikes unspent. Then gives a gay small smile with cunning art, with which she strikes me lastly in torment, and enters through the first eye, but in part. Yet since the eye cannot contain its part, straight to the heart it goes with fierce augment. True heart had found its ground, the fair smile and the glance that give no rest. My heart itself came quickly with a bound, crying to me for mercy, for I'm possessed. Be now enamored, let my love be crowned with the loving body whom God guard and bless. For to me, who in your heart it is profound, so pleasing I see your spirited loveliness, and home perfect beauty is not found. If I could find one privy to her heart, who privately might from my part convey greetings and friendship, from which my health ne'er parts, I'd send so many, you well may say, that if she sent me but the 100th part, I'd bake with great delight and no dismay, in a bath of greetings without any guard. And since I've taken such pleasure in this way, if gracious joy for me is set apart, for mercy's sake I beg her not to delay. Pleasure springing be pleasing pleasures from that fair smile I surveyed, yet my heart makes me grieve unceasingly with dolorous thoughts that never fade. But that his pleasures are not so heavy to me, however displeasing that I need to be afraid that I should die of it. No, I shall live and be free. Yet still I think I shall have worth so true, if worth can never profit any man, that I shall have my full desire of you, if your own will does not the favor band. And if she would maintain the rightful due, since her maintenance is all I seek to scan, from my lady I should receive as is my due, all that to a true lover belongs by plan. But I ask not her wealth nor coin anew, but the one thing I'll know grand. That I should die of it. No, I shall live and be free.